Groove to the rhythm of kindness, hey, groove to the rhythm of care. Four little words make hearts feel light. Let's sing them everywhere, hey! When you really want a cookie on a little plate, use a magic word, don't you be late. Look up with a smile, 1, 2, 3. Say please, so sweet, and your hands go free. Please, thank you, sorry, excuse me. Golden words dancing, 1, 2, 3, hey! Please, thank you, sorry, excuse me. Polite little words, set your kindness free. When your friend shares toys and lets you play, you can make their sunshine stay. Shake your hands like bells in the air. Say thank you loud so they know you care. Please, thank you, sorry, excuse me. Golden words dancing, 1, 2, 3, oh yeah! Thank you, sorry, excuse me. Polite little words, set your kindness free. If you bump a friend and they say, ow, you can fix it starting now. Touch your heart, take a breath, don't worry. Look in their eyes and say, I'm sorry. When you need to pass and the way's not clear, use gentle words so all can hear. Tiptoe by kindly, light as can be. Smile and say, excuse me. Hey! Please, thank you, sorry, excuse me. Golden words dancing, 1, 2, 3. Hey! Please, thank you, sorry, excuse me. Polite little words, set your kindness free. Groove to the rhythm of kindness, sing. Use your golden words each day you swing. Please, thank you, sorry, excuse me. Tiny little words grow in big hearts, see?